All right. My goodness. That's the way to set it off. All right, ladies. Maruru, we'll go out this way. Follow Auntie over there. Come here, sweetie. Over here. Follow Auntie over there. Follow there. Maruru, way by. Way bye-bye. All right, here comes our next group of dancers. We got dancer 200, 197, 124, 168, 166, and 118. Judges, are you ready? Drummers, Artuman. All right. Good job, girls. All right, thank you. Go ahead, go follow Auntie to your left. Go that way. Go that way. Thank you. Say why say bye-bye. Way bye. Good job, ladies. So just, you know, some of these girls, it's their first time competing, so make sure you give them some energy, make some noise for them, give them some love. Scoot over, give yourself some room.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we start, for those of you in the aisles, we cannot have anyone blocking these walkways, especially this red walkway. No. For fire hazard, everyone, if you are going to be taking video, please make sure that you are clear of these aisles.
Marudu. All right, we got dancer 202, 209, 216, 219, and 222. Judges ready. Drummers, Artumai. Thank you, ladies. All right, you can go and follow Auntie. Go to your left. To your left.
To the left. To the left.
Just one reminder. In this area, in front of the scoring table and behind the judges, you cannot be here to record at any time, please. Thank you. You got to stay in the bleachers. And don't block the exits, because when me and Uncle Roy, when me and Big Roy got to use the restroom, we got to jet it out here.
That's not a happy sight. All right. Oh, no. Oh, is she going to start like that? Okay. Right here. Come here. Come here. Right here, there you go. Come on up. Okay, black line. Move over a little bit here. Come over. Okay, we're gonna come over here. Okay, move over a little bit. We need you to scoot. Some of these girls went with the dramatic pose, not facing the judges.
This is 227, 296, 42, 310, 271, and 269. Judges ready? Drummers, Artumai. All right, thank you so much, ladies. All right, go ahead, follow Auntie to the left. Go out to that way. Go out that way.
A reminder to all the dancers, please make sure that you make sure that you stay in costume in case of a dance-off. Once again, all dancers, please stay in costume in case of a dance-off. We are now moving on to our beginner Tamahine 7 through 9 category. Once again, this is our next category, the beginner Tamahine 7 through 9.
We got 38, 69, 39, 36, 16, and 3. I feel like I'm playing the lotto here. All right. Judges ready? Drummers, Artumai. Maururu. Great job, ladies. Go ahead, exit to your left, turn to your left, and exit. Follow Auntie over there. Maururu. All right, we have dancer number 151, 244, 84, 30, 25, and 54. Judges ready? Drummers, Artumai. All right. There you go. All right, thank you, ladies. You can go ahead and turn to your left and follow Auntie to the back. You can exit now. Thank you, Maururu. All right, let's bring out the next group. All right, we got dancer 208, 177.
Hey. Turn it around.
173.
Turn around your number. Your number. Turn around.
160, 311, and 152. Judges ready? Drummers, Artumai. ladies, thank you. Go ahead, turn to your left and walk and exit to the back. Maururu. Go ahead, exit to the left, ladies. There you go. Follow. All right, dancer 234, 260, 217, 205, 247, 149. Judges ready. Drummers, Artumai. All right, ladies, thank you so much. All right, go ahead and exit to the left. Go ahead, thank you so much.
We're still looking for dancer number 116, dancer number 234, dancer number 173 in the beginner, 7 through 9. We are looking for you backstage.
All right, we got dancer 276, 174, 182, 23, 235, and 261. Judges are ready. Drummers, out of the mic. All right, thank you, ladies. Maruru, go ahead, stand up. Take it easy. Go ahead, exit to your left. Exit to your left. Thank you.
Again, still looking for dancer number 116, 234, 173.
All right, we have dancer number 277, 86, 203, 223, 156, 201, and 305. Judges, are you ready?
Want to move over? Good?
All right, drummers, out to my. All right. Whoa, whoa. All right. Go ahead, stand up. Face forward. All right, you can go exit to your left. Follow Auntie all the way to the back. Maruru, ladies.
And that's going to do it for our beginner, our Tamahine, 7 through 9. How about a round of applause for all of our beginners, 7 through 9 Tamahine. Let's go ahead now and move out to our next group. This is our Tamaroa beginners, 7 through 9.
I got dancer 196, 142, 71, 47, and dancer number 8. All right, we're just waiting for the judges. But while we're waiting for them, I just want to let you know, I want to announce Te Wha'a No Te Ori is back live this year. It's going to be happening Saturday, October 14th in Stockton. And this year's event is going to be sponsored by Ori Tahiti Nui Organization and Air Tahiti Nui. And the big boys here today are going to be emceeing over there at Te Wha'a No Te Ori, October 14th. Look out for that. Judges are ready? Drummers, Artumai. All right, guys, please face forward. All right, that's good. You go ahead and exit to your left, guys. Maruru.
How about a round of applause for our beginner, Tamaroa, in the 7 through 9 category. Moving on to our next category now in the Tamahine, Advanced Tamahine, 7 through 9. Let's bring out our first group. A reminder to all of our dancers to please stay in costume in case of a dance-off. Once you've been cleared by the MCs, then you can change. But for now, all dancers, once you have finished your solo, your elimination solo, please stay in costume.
All right, we got dancer 218, 204, 189, 193, 171, and 89, 89. Judges ready? Drummers, Arutumai. All right, ladies. Go ahead and face forward. Make sure the judges can see your numbers. All right, you go ahead and exit to your left, Maruru.
Once again, this is our Advanced Tamahine category, age 7 through 9.
All right, we got dancer 215, 278, 213, 236, 245, and 224.
Which one?
213. All right. Judges are ready. Drummers, arutumai. Okay, ladies. All right, make sure the judges can see your numbers one last time. All right, you may exit to your left, Maruru.
Before we move on, we're going to need to see dancers in the beginner 10 through 12, dancer number 32, 103, and 186. Beginner 10 through 12, dancer number 32, 103, and 186, still looking for you. We're now moving on to our advanced Tamaroa, age 7 through 9. Please welcome, come on, give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for our Tamaroa, advanced category, age 7 through 9.
All right, this is dancer 252 and dancer 272. $252 and $272. $272. Judges are ready. Drummers, arutumai. right, Maruru. All right, guys, stand up. Make sure the judges can see your numbers one more time. And you can go ahead and exit to your left. Go ahead, your other left.
The left to the left of the left. All right, for dancers in the age 4 through 6 category, there are no dance-offs. You are all clear. Once again, dancers in the 4 to 6 age category, no dance-offs. You are clear. However, in the age 7 through 9, Tamahine, we have a dance-off. We need the following dancers to please make your way to the backstage area for a dance-off at the beginning, 7 through 9, Tamahine. 277, dancer number 39, dancer number 208, dancer number 205, 260, 182, 305, and 201. If you just heard your number, you are now in a dance-off. Please make your way to the backstage area so we can get everyone situated and ready for the next dance-off. With that said, we're going to bring out our next category in our elimination round. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our beginner 10 through 12 category.
All right, we got dancer 59, 81, 73,
Make it nice and easy still.
17, number 6, and dancer 32. Judges ready? Hang on 1 second. All right, so the judges are asking you, do not go past that black line. All right, so stand back a little bit. The reason why is you get further forward, they can't see your number. So you want to make sure your number is seen. That's a good thing, right? You guys ready? Judges ready? Drummers, out the way. All right, ladies, Maruru, go ahead, face forward. Make sure the judges can see your numbers. All right, go ahead, exit to your left. Thank you. All right, this is dancer 150, 139, 129, 72, 123, 103. All right, ladies, make sure you don't go past this black line, okay? Judges ready? Drummers, aro tumai. All right, ladies, make sure to face forward. Make sure the judges can see your number one more time. Look down, make sure the judges can see your number. There you go. All right, Maruru ladies, go ahead and exit to your left.
Still looking for a few more dancers in the dance-off of the 7 through 9, beginning Tamahine. We still need dancer number 39, dancer number 208, dancer number 182, and number 305. You are needed backstage behind the performance area for your dance-off. Going to continue on with still our beginning Tamahine, ages 10 through 12.
All right, we got dancer 185, 172, 164, 163, 140, 157. Scoot over a little bit. This one? 172. All right, judges are ready. Drummers, arutumai. ladies. Make sure the judges can see your numbers one more time. Face forward. All right, face forward. Okay, go ahead and exit to your left, Maruru. Over here, over here. Over here. All right, we got 306, 303, 251, 207, and 186. Okay, ladies, make sure you don't go past this black line. Black line. All right? Judges ready? Drummers, arutumai. All right, ladies. Make sure the judges can see your numbers one more time. All right, you may exit to your left, Maruru.
We're now going to move on to our next category, and this is going to be in our beginner Tamaroa, ages 10 through 12. How about a round of applause for our Tamaroa?
I got with dancer 55. Dancer 55 and dancer 64. Judges are ready. Drummers, arutumai. good job, fellas. Make sure the judges can see your numbers one more time. All right, Maruru, you can exit to your left.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is our first dance-off here. And the beginner, Tamahine, edges 7 through 9.
Come on, girls. Move down. Move down.
All right, we got dancer 39, 277, 201, 305, 182, 260, 208, and 205. All right, ladies, don't go past this black line, okay? Do not go past the black line. Judges ready? Okay.
Scoot over. Let's stay with it.
305.
This one?
201.
277. Good.
All right, judges are ready. Drummers, Arutumai.